The Optase cooling mask features HydroCool technology to provide cooling relief for puffy and inflamed eyes and eyelids due to allergies. Place the cooling mask in a sealed plastic bag and place in the freezer for 1 hour. Remove after 1 hour. Note: contact lens wearers must remove lenses prior to using the Optase cooling mask. Before putting on the mask, find somewhere comfortable to sit or lie down, as it is not recommended to wear the mask standing up. Position the cooling mask around the head and close eyes for 10 minutes, adjusting the strap for comfort. Do not wear the cooling mask for longer than 20 minutes. After treatment, it may be normal to experience some blurring in your vision. The blurriness should clear within a few minutes. The cooling mask can be used until the expiration date printed on the bottom of the box. To learn more, visit scopeeyecare.com or contact our customer care team at info@scopeeyecare.com.